List hygiene is essential for maintaining a high sender reputation because it ensures that your email campaigns reach engaged, valid recipients and avoid common pitfalls that damage your email deliverability. Here's why it's important. Reduced bounce rates. Regularly cleaning your email list removes invalid or outdated email addresses, which helps lower your bounce rates. A high bounce rate can signal to email service providers, ESPs, that you're sending to poor quality addresses, leading to penalties or blocking. Improved engagement. By focusing on engaged subscribers, you ensure higher open and click-through rates, which ESPs use as signals of good sending behavior. List hygiene ensures that only interested and active recipients remain on your list, boosting overall engagement metrics. Lower spam complaints. Cleaning your list removes inactive or uninterested subscribers who may mark your emails as spam. Too many spam complaints can harm your reputation and lead to blacklisting or deliverability issues. Better sender reputation. ESPs monitor how recipients interact with your emails. A clean list improves deliverability by ensuring emails are sent to people who want to receive them. A positive sender reputation increases the likelihood of your emails landing in the inbox rather than the spam folder. Compliance with regulations. Regularly managing your list ensures compliance with email marketing regulations like GDPR and CAN-SPAM, which require that only subscribers who have consented to receive communications are contacted. Maintaining good list hygiene is critical for protecting and enhancing your sender reputation, resulting in better email performance and long-term success with your campaigns.